So remember that flying bird? I mean, the swimming birds. So they must be with their young too, because usually you don't see the multiple. So that's kind of a cool show. I just happen to notice ripples. Come on, mosquitoes. Shoot. I was debating. No, it's too dewy. They were like in a chorus line. That's what I get for the start and stop. Trying to condense it. You can't condense nature, see? That was cool though. I mean, you see their heads so low. Not like they were doing just now, but I mean, just in general. Like if you're at the water, you'll just all of a sudden see, because it was weird to me when I first, lots of things are different down here than northernly latitude. That's more Gator Alley back in there. But the birdies, it'd just be weird, you'd see something, well, are they like showing off? Because whatever that was, jumped. Let me get it. Extract it. Somebody did splash though. I'm in the grass. It's like it must be totally dry. And I'm in the grass, which I'm always complaining about not being able to be in. Better angle maybe. Good. He's like, she's on to us. I swear. So, you are more than likely watching out for somebody. Maybe not. Are you remember from last night? It like flies over to the house. And is always like flirting with me. Yeah, I think so. Thinking okay. He just flew overhead, but I did not follow because I gotta get out of this. Literally. Okay, so let me find him with my eyeballs first. Well, I did find him with my eyeballs a second ago. the Muscovy's nervous, and look who's at the end of the road. They're already on it. Alright, so you flew over here. I know this, you know this. I never did see all the little ones fly away, I don't think. Did I? And the two trees do connect. So there's that. I don't know where that purple vibrating bird is. I don't see little woodpeckers on that. And I'm curious a bit about the, I'm not gonna hunt them down rather. But the footage of the little guys that we have, we should cut and edit. I mean, I bet your thing would do better. Why do we need two towers and literally be like the same camera view? There's one behind the palm tree. Like we don't know it's there. We do. And then there's also this one right there. It's kind of weird. Baby, don't blow it. Okay. Something and something. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on with that. Because I did see him land it. And I don't even know what the camera's pointed at, but I'm pretty sure. I mean, they got more patience, I guess, than we do, right? Plus, they do that whole hugging of the side of the tree deal. So, like, they hug the limbs. Ouch. Those are pretty loud. I don't know how things get all over my what have you. They do. It's a cool cloud. They gotta be right there. It's like I can hear them. Totally. It's pretty. There's the sun way over there. So weird. I mean, kind of is. Ugh, I just picked my toe and now I'm picking crap out of my eye. That wasn't smart. Hi, I didn't see you there. Aw. You're a little bit better flyer than everybody else in your clan. So that was a good show by the water birds, which I do see some rain is right literal now. Ugh. I don't know what that is. That looks kind of weird. You'll be a dentist and a success. Say, oh. Okay, so I was seeing some things, but they were like pouncing around a little bit ago. Like literally jumping, and like they don't normally do that. They're normally like super quiet and not acting like a fish. Like when they pop up, you'll just see their little head pop up. And that's it. And it's just like looking around. I might have found them again since I know there's like 3. Let me start and stop.